Why do some people stay broke? Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I brought summary for you guys. Rich dad, poor dad. Imagine this. You work hard, you get paid, but by end of the month, proof, your money gone. Sound familiar, right? Well, let me tell you a story about two dads with completely different money mindset. One is rich, one is poor. Robert Kiyosaki, who is the writer of this book, has two fathers, his poor dad, his rich dad. His poor dad, highly educated and had a good job, but always struggled with money. His rich dad, a school dropout who became a millionaire through smart investment. See, here is the crazy part. One dad followed society rules and stayed broke. The other broke the rules and got rich. Wanna know the difference? Let's dive in. Lesson 1. The rat race. Why more money does not solve your problem. Most people think if I had just made more money, I would be fine. But here is the kicker. Making more money won't make you rich if you don't know how to manage it. Rich Dad explains the rat race. You work hard, get paid, but then rent, bills, taxes, eat it up. You get a raise, sweet, but now you buy a nicer car, a bigger house, and boom, you're back to square one. Poor dads always told Robert, go to school, get a good job, work hard. But rich dad, he said, forget that, learn how money works, make money work for you. See, that's the difference. The rich buy asset. The poor and middle class buy liabilities, things that take money out of their pockets. Lesson 2. Asset versus liabilities. The secret the rich know that you don't know. Okay, here is where is the magic happen. Rich dad broke it down. Asset. Things that put money in your pocket, like rental properties, stock, businesses. Liabilities. Things that take money out of your pocket, like expensive car, fancy homes, credit card, debit. Most people think their house is an asset, but if it's costing you money every month, guess what? It's actually a liabilities. Rich people, they buy asset first, things that generate income. Then they buy luxuries with that extra cash. So here is the question. Are you buying things that make you money or just things that make you look rich? Let's move to lesson 3. School don't teach you about money. Why financial education is the real key. Think about it. When the last time school taught you how to invest, handle tax or build wealth? Never. School will never teach such things. Poor dad valued education. He said, go to school, get a degree, you will be set. Rich dad said, sure, education is great, but financial education, that's what make you rich. Schools train you to be a good employee, but the rich, no. They train themselves to be owner and investor. So, are you just working for money or is your money is working for you? Let's move to lesson 4. The power of passive income. How to make money while you sleep. Most people trade time for money, but the rich, they build income stream that pay them even when they are sleeping. Rich dad golden rule. Don't work for money. Make money work for you. Here is how we can see. Invest in real estate, like rent pays you every month. Invest in a stock. Earn from dividing and growth. Start a business. Own something that generate money even when you are not working. The goal is financial freedom. That's when your passive income cover your expenses and you no longer have to work just to survive. Let's move to lesson 5. Fear and mindset. Why most people stay broke? Here is the harsh truth. Most people don't get rich because they are too scared to take risk. Poor dad said, play it safe. Rich dad, take smart risk. Learn from failure. That's how you grow. The difference between rich and poor is not just money. It's about mindset. Poor people fear losing money. Rich people see money as a tool to create more wealth. See the difference. So are you letting fear keep you broke? Or are you willing to take calculated risks to change your future? See how we can apply this today. Let's bring all together. Get out of the rat race. Stop thinking a paycheck will save you. Buy asset, not liabilities. Let your money make more money. Educate yourself about finances. School won't teach you, so take control of yourself how to learn about finances. Build passive income. Make money even when you sleep. Change your mindset. Fear keeps people broke. Wealth is built on knowledge and action. So, here is the challenge for you guys. What's the one thing you will do today to start building wealth? Let me know in the comments. And if this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life changing lessons. See you in the next one.